Woohoo! What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Blazy at Blazy TV, man. We got a special treat. We got a pizza. Oh, but nah. We're gonna be making a pizza with some pita bread. We got some cheese on deck. We got some foil. We got some salad. You know, we got some carrots, some raisins, some lettuce. And let's get into it, bro. First thing first, we're gonna measure out some of this cheese. We got about we got a pack of cheese I bought it for $2.99 at the store. So we're gonna measure that till we're gonna get about 28 grams of that good old cheese. You know, the macros and everything will be at the end of the videos for those who count macros, man. That's gonna be at the end of the video. You know, we're gonna measure it out, not too much. Yeah, man, we pulled out the pita bread, man. That's about 260 calories for one, 7 grams of protein. You dig what I'm saying? And about 41 grams of carbs per serving. Mind you, they good. They so good too, man. These things really came in clutch. It was actually a gift. You know, I appreciate, you know, the person who sent them to me, bro, because, man, I might have stopped eating regular bread, you dig? All right, man, next up, we got Prego meat sauce, you know, tomato sauce. That's about 61 grams, 62, you know. I think one serving is about 68, but we use 61. Just on the safe side. I feel 68 is a little bit too much, man. Now we're gonna even it all the way around. All the way around. Get all like nice even coat. Now, get all that out of there. Now we're gonna even it out a bit. You know, let it go all the way across. Even it out real good, man. Real nice. Real nice. Now we got the Wesley Farms chicken breast, 14 grams of protein. About 2 ounces, 56 grams. So it's basically 14 grams of protein and 56 grams. Get about 56 grams of this shit. So, should imagine how much the damn whole can is. So we're gonna measure it out real quick. You know, just until you get 56 grams. Video coming soon on how to work this. I know a lot of people might not know how to work it. You know, the food scale. You know, it's really effective, man. I'm telling you, this thing will save your whole life, bro. If you count macros, you know, if that's what you do, you know, it ain't for everybody. Now we got some of this damn chicken going again. We're gonna spread that on there real nice. Make it nice and even. It's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be real good, man. But anyway, now we're gonna add this little salad. I ain't really count this. It's just a little sample. You know, it ain't too much calories. You know what I mean? Just a little, just some good carbs, man. We ain't gonna count that too much. You know what I mean? We're gonna spread that across. A nice even amount of that all the way around. That shit look good as hell, man. I'm gonna tell you, it was good. Because I ate it as soon as I was done, you feel me? But yeah, man. Now, if you watched it from the beginning, man, you know we measured about 28 grams of this cheese. You know what I'm saying? Comment below if you watched this from the beginning. So, you're going to sprinkle that 28 grams worth of cheese all around that joint. Tell you, this is a pizza, man. It's a healthy way to have a pizza, bruh. And it's just as damn good. Might be better than damn Pizza Hut. I'm just saying. Alright, man. Put that bit in the oven. Now we take that bit out. Look at the cheese melted on that bit. The crust, the damn bread, pita, all crisp. Now we're gonna cut it up even, man. We're gonna cut it up nice and even. You know what I'm saying? Some good triangles. Look at the cheese. You know, the cheese. I should have had some Parmesan cheese. It would have made this even better. But I still believe it's good. I still believe it's A1, man. You know, we're gonna cut them up nice and even. You know, I did give my mom a slice. You know what I mean? You know, I'm still gonna hit my macros for the day. You know, sometimes I count them, sometimes I don't. You know, sometimes I just use my head. You know, use my common sense when it comes to it. But I do count them, and if you count them, that's good, cause I count them too. You feel me? Yeah, man. So that's the Presto pita bread pizza, or I'm gonna just call it the Blaze Pizza. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy this. Y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all next time. And anybody interested in the macros, all right here, man. Everything you need right here. Everything I use right here. I logged it on MyFitnessPal app. You know, if you're doing this at the crib, everything you need right up in here, bro. Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm telling you, try this out. It's real good, man. Peace.